बहुत लोगों की डिज़ायर होती है एनल सेक्स। वो एनल सेक्स ट्राई करना चाहते हैं ऑल्सो बिकॉज इट्स एडवेंचरस, इट्स समथिंग न्यू एंड इट्स अ फैंटेसी। क्योंकि पॉर्न भी देखते हैं तो पॉर्न ने एनल सेक्स को भी पॉपुलराइज कर दिया है। लेकिन एनल सेक्स के साथ बहुत सारा टैबू जुड़ा हुआ है कि इट इज़ अननेचुरल, इट इज़ अनसेफ, इट कैन बी एक्सट्रीमली पेनफुल एंड पीपल डोंट नो हाउ टू डू एनल सेक्स. So in this video, I will tell you how to have a safe, comfortable and pleasurable anal sex. So let us first understand anal sex क्यों ज़रूरी है. See, the anus from where you poop, it is rich with nerve endings. Also, anus, penis or clitoris, all of them are interconnected. They have the same kind of nerve endings. और कई बार क्या होता है, for men, anal stimulation can indirectly lead to prostate stimulation resulting in prostate orgasms, and for women, anal stimulation can indirectly stimulate the clitoris leading to female orgasms. इसीलिए anal sex बहुत ज़्यादा pleasurable होता है. लेकिन एक चीज़ का ध्यान रखना है, क्योंकि anus is highly sensitive, it has got a lot of nerve endings, तो यहाँ पे पेन भी हो सकता है बहुत ज़्यादा और प्लेजर भी हो सकता है. So in this video I will tell you what safety precautions to maintain to have a pleasurable anal sex. So now that you got interested and now you know कि anus में इतना सारा pleasure है, how to start? Because it's a beginner and it is difficult because anus is not naturally lubricated and anus is quite tight, I will recommend you to start with analingus, which is called making out with your partner's anus. जी हाँ, इसमें क्या होता है, एनालिंगस में क्या होता है कि you can stimulate your partner's butthole with your tongue and there is no penetration and hence there is no pain. This is a great way to comfort yourself with the idea of involving anus into pleasure. So always start with analingus. I know a lot of times, in fact, because of the lack of sex education also, I had been with my partners who said, let's try anal sex. But they don't know that it can be an incredible painful experience if your body is not ready. So I will highly recommend, never ever start with the penetrative anal sex, rather analingus, which is the making out with the anus or having oral sex with the anus. So in this you are using your tongue to lick your partner's anus, which is also called rimming, क्योंकि आप वहाँ पे as a rim आप उसको lick कर रहे हैं. So this is purely comfortable and it sensitizes your body to the idea of the anus being touched. Now hear me out. Anus, because it's also the butthole from where the poop comes out, you may accidentally catch the poop of your partner if you are stimulating them. So to avoid that, always make sure to wash your butt before you go for analingus. Not just that, anus can also be a potential site for many viral infections like HPV, hepatitis A, B, C, bacterial infections which can cause diarrhea, parasitic infections and many other type of infections including STI. जी हाँ, तो अगर आप अपने पार्टनर से फेमिलियर नहीं हैं, so either you get STI testing done or you use a dental dam. So you can then slowly graduate to the next level of penetrative anal sex where you can use finger, you can use sex toy or you can use a penis. Now that you have tried analingus or anal oral sex with your partner and you are ready to go for the penetrative anal sex, here is how you can do it. Number 1, talk to your partner about it. जी हाँ, एक enthusiastic conversation ज़रूरी है before you jump onto your partner on the bed to try anal sex. Because talking about this activity beforehand normalizes and prepares both of you mentally, because mind has a big role to play. क्योंकि lot of people may have a lot of strong reaction. Your partner may have a strong reaction as to what are you saying. So just make them comfortable by talking about it. Like, do you think we can try this? Can we just go a little bit about it? It normalizes and prepares the mind for anal sex. So conversation with your partner is absolutely necessary. Number 2, anal sex has got a huge risk and infection causing rate. It is because of 3 reasons. Number 1, anus is not naturally lubricated. Unlike vagina that produces its own lubricant and remains wet, anus has no such lubricant. Number 2, the anus is tight. The anal sphincter जो कि poop को अंदर रखता है, it is quite tight and hence if you are forcefully penetrating an object like a finger or a penis or a toy, it can lead to a lot of pain and even cuts and tears in the anus. And number 3, the anal tissue is highly fragile and sensitive. So इन 3 चीज़ों का ध्यान रखते हुए आपको कोई भी forceful penetration नहीं करना है. And this is why lube is necessary. जी हाँ, For anal sex, lube is not just good to have, it is a must. You cannot have anal sex without a lube. Lube क्या करता है? Lube makes the anal slippery. It adds a bit of slipperyness. जैसे कि अगर आप चूड़ियाँ पहन रहे हैं और अगर आप चूड़ियाँ पहन रहे हैं और कई बार अटक जाती है तो you may add a bit of oil. Similarly, to go inside the butthole, you need to add lube and lots of lube. Like the wetter, the more. जितना ज़्यादा wetness हो सकता है, so don't be conservative with lube कि थोड़ा कम use करना है. I'm also putting a link for you to buy your favorite natural lube, which is the link in the description below. So now that you have added lube, you are safe. However, you have to also add a condom. जी हाँ. Why? Because anus is highly susceptible to infections, sexually transmitted infections, HIV infections. So you have to use a condom. Not the dotted or ridged or textured condoms, but lubricated condoms, and also put a lot of lube on the top of the condom. So have a lot of lube. ये बात का ज़रूर ध्यान रखें कि you don't have to go for the forceful penetration, because any kind of cuts that are caused in the butthole can increase your chances of getting an STI, and you don't want to go there. So simply add lube. So like I said, that anus can be a potential site for many STDs and STIs, including HIV and HPV. And HPV can even cause anal cancer. And you don't want cancer, okay? So always use a condom if you are not sure about your partner's sexual health status. Now, coming to the penetrative anal sex. देखिए, जैसे आप जिम जाते हैं and you slowly train your muscles. You just don't pick a huge, kind of this weightlifter, but you slowly train so that your muscles get used to it. So get your anal muscles also getting used to the penetration by using smaller toys, which is called butt plugs. These are the toys specially designed for anal sex. So it's like this, and the butt plug has a flared base. Flared base मतलब ये एक tapering base होता है. ये इसलिए होता है ताकि because कि आपका anus is magically powerful in sucking things inside. So just to make sure that the butt plug stays in the place, it has a flared base. So you can start with smaller sex toys like butt plug. You can start with a finger. Use a lot of lube so that you make your partner comfortable, because anal sex can be painful if you straight away jump into the penetration with the penis. So start with the smaller objects and start slow and steady. Also, if your partner is complaining of pain, unless you both mutually discuss that okay, you want to enjoy pain.
सूरज, मुझे वो हसीन दर्द दे दो.
But if your partner is complaining of pain, which means something is wrong with the body is not enjoying it. So that's your sign to stop it. So always keep checking in with your partner if they are comfortable even during the act of anal sex. And if they are in pain, stop immediately. So you can enjoy anal sex, you can have safe, comfortable anal sex. But if your inspiration of having anal sex is porn, और porn में बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें दिखाते हैं जो कि रियल लाइफ में पॉसिबल नहीं है और आपको पेन में भी डाल सकती हैं. So don't just go all hunky dory about porn, but use my video, go step by step. If you are using your fingers to penetrate your partner's anus initially, make sure कि आपके nails cut हो and blunt हो, क्योंकि अगर sharp nails है उससे anus hurt हो सकता है. Remember I told you that anal tissue is sensitive and fragile. So by all means try anal sex by slowly following the step-by-step method I explained in the video, and have a great anal sex.